Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazri bin Abdul Somad. My metric numbers is C19 A0225. Okay, today I want to talk about my dream car. My dream car is a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X. The car is a category of sport car. I like this car because the car like a elegant car. Okay, the design, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution app, the name of design is from Omel Halizut. The length of the car have 400 millimeters. This car use petrol. The price is 30,000. Uh, this car come with a type of colors such as red, black, and white. So I hope I can get and I can have one Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X, and I try my best to get this car, inshallah. So that's all from me. Thank you.